Hi, I'm Graham. I help brands like yours do marketing magic, the kind that makes customers say, shut up and take my money. Today, I'm sharing 5 game-changing tips to market your product or service. Let's skip the fluff and get straight to the good stuff. Step 1. Sell the problem, not the product. Nobody cares about the bells and whistles, yet. What they care about is how you're going to solve their biggest headache. Is your product a lifesaver for busy parents, or does your service help people finally master Excel's formulas without crying? Lead with their pain points, not your product features. Example, don't say we sell ergonomic office chairs. Instead try say goodbye to back pain. Meet the chair your spine has been praying for. Step 2, show, don't tell. Talking about your product is great. Showing it in action, even better. Videos, demos, before and after shots, they're the trust builders. Let people see how amazing your offering is. Remember, you're not just selling a thing, you're selling a feeling. What will your audience's life look like after they've used your product or service? Spoiler alert, it should be awesome. Step 3, be everywhere your audience is. If your audience spends their time on Instagram, don't waste your marketing budget on LinkedIn ads. Learn where they hang out and then show up there like you're a best friend who always has the perfect advice. And please, I'm begging you, don't post and ghost. Interact, respond to comments, slide into DMs appropriately, and be part of the conversation. Step 4, leverage social proof. People love a bandwagon, and they're more likely to jump on if they see others there first. Use reviews, testimonies, case studies, whatever you got. Bonus points if you can get a micro-influencer or someone relatable to rave about your product. Pro tip, make sure your testimonials tell a story. This service saved me $1,000 is cool, but I saved $1,000 and finally had a budget for my dream vacation is compelling. Step 5, keep your CTAs simple and irresistible. Don't overcomplicate it. Your call to action should be like a great movie trailer, clear, enticing, and impossible to ignore. Instead of, feel free to browse our extensive catalog and reach out if you have any questions, try, click here and save $20 and get the best night's sleep of your life. Seriously, what are you waiting for? And there you have it, 5 tips to market your product or service like the rock star you are. Remember, marketing isn't about selling, it's about connecting, build trust, solve problems, and make your audience feel like you get them. Now, if you're ready to make your product or service the next big thing, hit that follow button. Or don't, but if you don't, just know my marketing heart will be slightly broken. Until next time, happy hunting.